Hello, awesome viewers. This is BlessingGodwinTV, and we are so glad to have you back on this channel once again. Already, we are at the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And if you look closely from here, you would notice the overpass bridge that is currently under construction in the capital city of Anambra State, which is Awka. And the way it is looking right now, this work has actually progressed massively. Not to worry, we are going to get you this update soonest on this channel. So we are focused on the aim of today's video, which is the government house roads that is still under construction, and also the iconic tower that is also under construction. All of these projects have actually improved massively, talking about massive progress on the constructions going on. So right now we are at the Aroma flyover in Awka, and if it's been a while you were in Awka already, you would know that this location have transformed massively. Also, our traffic lights in the capital city are all functioning effectively. Yes, at various stops and junctions within the capital city, the traffic lights are all functioning. I'm talking about the transformational agenda of this administration, which is the Governor Soludo's administration. Awka, the capital city, has truly transformed within a very short time, and sometimes it marvels me the way these transformations have taken place. Though there is still a lot to be done, but to be sincere with you, a lot has been done already. Yes, a lot has been done. We can't be less thankful to this administration for what they have been doing in Awka and in Anambra at large. This is so massive and this is so interesting. Anambra State is truly rising. So guys, right now we are at the 6-lane government house road in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And if you look at this road, even though it has been asphalted, you would notice that there are still a lot of work to be done. Yes, there is still a lot of work to be done on this road when we talk about road markings, even street lights, and some other infrastructures that are needed to be fixed on these roads. Also, there will be a need to have green plants in between the roads, and I believe all of these things will be done properly. There have been already plans for all of these things I'm mentioning right now. Yes, we are headed towards the government house axis of this road. And so far so good, I must tell you guys, this road has been transformed massively from what it used to be before now. For those who have been following our channel, you would know what this road used to look like in some months ago. Yes, but right now you can see that this transformation has actually taken place. The government is actually working. And this is what Anambra needs right now. So I would love to hear from you. Just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, please I indulge you to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Let's hear your recommendations. Let's hear your advices. Let's hear your thoughts. Let's hear your views. Whatever it is you would love to share with us about what is going on in Anambra State at the moment, Please, we would love to hear from you at the comment section. And just in case you know things about this project that we don't know about, please do well to share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. Right here, you can also see the iconic tower that is rising already. Yes, this project is experiencing a massive progress as we speak right now. So you can see what is going on right at the construction of the Anambra iconic tower. Yes, it has really progressed massively and it is still going up. This is so beautiful. I mean, it's going to be very beautiful by the time it is fully completed. We are talking about the transformational projects that the Anambra state government, in the place of Governor Soludo, what he has done so far in Anambra state is so marveling. And also you can see that work is truly going on massively on this road. Yes, there is massive work going on along the government house roads at the moment. Please make sure you watch this video till the end, because we are going to take you up to where they constructed a very big culvert, if you can remember that section. Yes, work has also commenced at that section even as we speak right now. So please do well to watch this video till the end so that you would see what is happening along these areas of the capital city. Don't forget that the state government is constructing a new city already in these areas. This section of the city is becoming a new city. I'm telling you the truth. All of those who have gotten land in these areas are very fortunate. To even say it the way it is, if you were given land in this area, like in the past, in 10 years ago, if someone tells you to buy land in this area, you would feel that the person really hates you or don't want your progress, you know. I'm telling you, let's say 10 years ago, if someone tells you to buy land in these areas, you will be seeing the person as someone that doesn't really want you to progress. You understand? But with what is going on now, guys, this is the new Awka city. I'm telling you, by the time we go down, you understand what I'm talking about. This area is the new Awka city. It is going to be very competitive by the time, like in the next 2 years, these areas we are seeing is going to be highly competitive in this city. As we speak right now, the price of a plot of land in this area has risen above 20 million. Let me not joke with you. The prices of land in this area, this place that somebody will tell you to buy land, even 2 million, you will not agree to buy. It has risen above 20 million. This is so as a magical. I can't really explain it, but what I'm telling you right now is that this is the new Awka city. In the next 5-10 years, if we come here, you would understand what I'm talking about. Soludo has actually opened up these areas entirely to couple it up with the good road that he's constructing. You can see how good these roads are, and he's taking these roads from here. They are going to link up to Isonocha from here. So these areas you are seeing that look bushy is the next city. This is the next happening place in the capital city. This is going to be the most competitive location in the coming years in the capital city. So if you have lands already in these locations, congratulations, congrats to you already. And if you don't, you still have opportunities to get lands in these areas, because I believe there are still people who would still want to sell out their lands in this location. So just in case you have followed us up to this point, thank you so very much. And this is where I was telling you about. This is where they constructed a very big culvert the other time. And if you look also, you will notice that the contractors talking about the GLD have commenced work already on this section. So the work or the road construction is progressing. Don't forget to air your view on the comment section. Please, let's hear from you. Let's hear whatever it is you think about the Anambra state government. Let's hear your thought about these projects that are going on all around the state. That's why sometimes, or most times, I always say that Anambra as a state is a construction site. And when I say things like this, some people don't tend to understand what I mean, but this is exactly what I mean. You can see people who are who either own properties in these places or who have already started construction. You can see them going out, and you will see people coming in. You know, people are coming into these areas to either start projects. A lot of projects are already springing up in these areas. You know, serious projects. People are coming in to buy more lands. People are coming in to develop their lands. That is what we are talking about. So thank you for watching up to this point. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel just in case you have not subscribed already. Bye.